Okay, real talk. Have you ever felt like your brain is your own worst enemy when it comes to breaking a bad habit? You know, that moment when you're like, I'm done with this. But then your hand magically reaches for your phone, or that bag of chips, or whatever your vice is. Yeah, been there too. And here's the thing, it's not just you being weak-willed. Your brain is wired to crave those quick hits of dopamine, the feel-good chemical that makes bad habits so dang hard to quit. But guess what? You can outsmart it. Seriously. Let me break it down for you. First, you need to figure out what's triggering your habit. Is it stress? Boredom? That awkward silence when you're alone with your thoughts? Once you know the trigger, you can start to hack it. Step 2. Swap the habit. Instead of scrolling Instagram, try a 2-minute stretch or a quick walk. Instead of reaching for junk food, grab a piece of fruit. Your brain still gets a reward, but this time, it's a healthier one. And step 3, make it harder to give in. If your phone is the problem, leave it in another room. If it's snacks, don't buy them in the first place. Out of sight, out of mind, right? The key is to make the bad habit inconvenient and the good habit easy. So, what's one habit you're ready to tackle? Pick one, try these steps, and let me know how it goes in the comments. And hey, if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button because we're all about turning small changes into big wins here. Let's do this. Bye.